what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix iPhone 10 water damage. Actually yesterday afternoon, unfortunately my phone was dropped into water. So Apple said this phone is IP67 rating, but why this thing happened to me, I don't know. Actually I'm very disappointed now. I have found a way to solve this problem, so I'm going to show you guys. Let's have a look. At first you need to take some cottons. And or you can use tissue, and you have to take raw rice. I already taken raw rice. This is raw rice. So first what you have to do, I'm telling you, keep your phone inside rice. Keep your phone inside rice. Then now put the cotton on the top. This method, and keep this phone like this way, minimum 12 hours. Okay, so after 12 hours just open this container and you will see the cotton. Wow, it's working for me. Wow. So all water will be absorbed by tissue or cotton after 12 hours. See, for me it's working actually. So keep out your phone, okay, and keep your phone under sun minimum 2 hours. And make sure inside your phone no moisture, then plug in your phone. And after all, if it doesn't work, please go to Apple Store for fixing. Thank you.